If you're a Regenexx network provider, Regenexx Cayman is really a great resource for two reasons. Some of the more severe conditions we treat, like moderate to severe hip osteoarthritis, that are just difficult to treat even with a lot of same-day stem cells in the United States, can be treated here. Obviously, if you've got the kind of patients that can come down here or need to come down here, you can get licensed in Regenexx Cayman. You can bring those patients here. You can have a wonderful time with your family here while you're seeing patients. But let's say you don't want to do that and you just want to refer a patient. The patients that come down here and really benefit are those that have multiple areas or generally have more severe disease to treat. So if someone is, let's say, not a great candidate for a knee or a hip or another type of SD procedure, or even if they failed SD, many of those patients will respond to culture expanded stem cells. So you can keep them in the Regenexx family simply by referring them to the doctors that do come down here and see patients at Regenexx Cayman. You can store cells down here for future use. You can store them in cryopreservation in the lab behind me. So what that means is, let's say you've got a patient who really doesn't like bone marrow aspiration. They can come down here once and get enough cells, usually for 3, 4, sometimes even 10 treatments. And then that person can get another treatment without having to go through another bone marrow aspirate. So lots of very unique conditions can be treated down here where we might struggle to do the same thing with a same-day procedure in the United States.